Okay, guys, our shito is ready. Hi guys, today is shito day and our ingredients are onions. I'm just gonna make a little shito. We have our garlic and ginger here. If you watch my videos, you know that I really love garlic and ginger. We have our powder, shrimp powder. We have our shrimp powder here. We have our tomato paste too, yes, and the powdered pepper for shito. 3 Maggi cubes. I don't know if I'm gonna use all these Maggi. We have the salt. I'm gonna use gizzard. So gizzard and we have some vegetable oil. Yes, you need a lot of oil. I am first gonna blend our vegetables with oil because we want our shito to cook fast. So yes, if you want your shito to cook fast, then you have to use oil. Don't use water because water is gonna take forever to cook. I'm just gonna blend it together, you know. I am in a hurry, so now I'm gonna add the remaining because it blended down. So I'm gonna add the remaining and continue blending. So now we're gonna start with our gizzard. We have our gizzard here. Just gonna use half of the Maggi cube. Hey, Maggi cube is harder. Maggi cube jadi. It's hard, Papa. Just gonna use half of this, you know, because the gizzard is not a lot. Just gonna use this much of the blended vegetables. Yes, and I'm gonna add a little bit. Gizzard takes forever to cook, so I'm just gonna leave this on. I'm just gonna add a little water and leave this on for 20 to 25 minutes. Gizzard takes forever to cook. While I was waiting for the gizzard, I normally clean my surroundings. Clean your surroundings all the time. Keep a healthy space. So our gizzard is ready now. So our gizzard is in here cooling down. We are gonna start with the shito itself. I'm gonna heat our oil. Now that oil was not enough, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this to it. Yes. Okay guys, I am gonna start with, I'm gonna fry the gizzard, you know. Fry. Yes. Make sure it doesn't burn, guys. Don't burn it. Brown to your taste. Okay, guys, our gizzard is done. It's as brown as I wanted it. So, but you can make it as brown as you want. Yeah, I just want it this way. Now let's start with the main shito. Yeah, I'm going to use the same oil I used to fry the gizzard to make the shito. I'm not gonna throw it away. The taste has to be in there. I'm gonna use this amount of tomato paste to, you know, stir it up. You can add water to your tomato paste, but I don't want to use water because I want it to cook fast, and the water might delay the cooking. I have tennis class, so I need to finish this quick. Then yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for a little while, then I'll come and check it later. You see how brown my tomato paste looks like in the oil? Yes, this is how I want it to look like. Now I am gonna add my boss to it. It's my boss because I love yes. So I'm mixing my boss, and after I'm gonna leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I'll need more oil, but I'll add it very soon. Okay, this is our onions. I said 3 to 5 minutes, but actually I kept it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, and you have to keep stirring in order not for it to burn. You don't want it to burn, so you have to keep stirring and checking it like a baby. Yep. Now I am gonna add my shrimp powder. Yep, the shrimp powder. Nice. And I'm gonna stir it. We will need more oil because the oil is not enough for the shito. So our shrimp powder is in here. Yes, our shrimp powder is in there. We keep stirring. I'm gonna add my spices. 2 Remy shito seasoning. I'm gonna add 2 of the Maggi cubes I showed earlier. Only 2. Stir it up. I can't wait. Guys, this is my first time of making shito. I can't wait to taste the outcome. Guys, let's not forget our salt. Just a little bit to your taste. I'm gonna try it later and see if I want more in it or I just like the taste like that. So don't put a lot, just put little by little and keep tasting it to know if you like it, you know. Can't wait. Hey guys, as I told you earlier, you need more oil. So, see, you need more oil. It's very, 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 very oil consuming. Also using. Okay guys, we're gonna use our almighty now. The powdered pepper, you know. Don't put a lot of you don't know. We are gonna stir it.
My mom to buy me more prestige.
Trays,
right? It was 50 Ghana. How much do you buy them there?
What?
The first stage trade. But it's colonial.
I'm gonna add more spices to it. You should add to your taste, you know. Round. Okay, let's check our shito. It's looking good. Now, I'm gonna add the gizzard, you know. I'm so happy. Okay, guys, our shito is done. Okay, guys, our shito is ready. To know that your shito is ready, it will be bubbling in your whatever you are scooping with. See? It's bubbling. So our shito is ready. I'm gonna leave it to cool down. Then I'll package it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribing button. Boom. Then subscribe.